summer vacations? Anybody? Nice. All right, Kartikeya. And mute yourself. Let's hear your voice. It's been a long time.
Sarah ma'am.
How was your vacation?
Nice.
Anything new you learned? ये फूक कौन मार रहा है?
Ma'am, what?
फूक कौन मार रहा है इतना? थोड़ा ध्यान रखो अपने माइक पे. Please do not unmute yourself unless you are asked to. Did you learn something new in the summer vacations? Where are you, Kartikeya? I was not done with you.
I
Nice.
am at home.
Everybody is at home.
Yes, I studied some chapters.
Did
Mostly
you
of
do
fine.
any? Did you do anything fun, or did you just
Yeah.
study?
Yes. Many
So
things.
share the fun part with us. None of us like to study.
Well, most of the fun part was me with Saurabh.
You with Saurabh. Oh, that's nice. Yes, Saurabh,
Yes,
I'll give you a chance. I think
yes,
you
ma'am.
can't
Me,
contain yourself.
me and Saurabh are just trying to give our body a good shape.
Oh, you devoted time to sculpt your body. That's very good. It's nice.
Make
Yes,
abs.
Saurabh. You do know this is going to be put up on YouTube, right? I told
Oh.
you. I told you in advance. So better refrain from the normal things that you talk about. It's a good thing now I have a weapon against you. Yes, Saurabh, how did you spend your vacation? You were trying to talk.
हम थोड़ी पढ़ाई की, गेम्स खेले और एक्सरसाइज करी थे।
अच्छा, ये बस थोड़ी होता है, ये तो बहुत सारा काम है. Yes, Ashna, how did you spend your vacations? Did something fun? Learned something new?
यस मैम। मैम बहुत सारी मूवीज देखी, थोड़ी पढ़ाई करी और वेब सीरीज देखी बहुत सारी।
कुछ सीखा उससे कि बस देख देख के भूल गए?
नहीं सीखा।
Name me one thing that you learned from those movie and web series.
Godzilla is the king of monsters.
Karthik, it's very rude to interrupt somebody. It's not a good practice. Refrain doing that. Yes, Ashna. I'm waiting. What did you learn?
मैम मूवी देख के क्या लर्न, बस ये था कि टाइम मैनेजमेंट ढंग से करना है, मतलब मूवी के लिए भी टाइम निकालना है, पढ़ाई भी करनी है साथ साथ।
Okay, that was a very indirect lesson, but good. Simon, how were your vacations? Did you do something fun? Simon, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you do anything fun in the vacations? Learn something new?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell us something about it. अरे जो चीजें अच्छी लगती है वो तो बिल्कुल तुरंत आनी चाहिए. कुछ नया सीखा, कुछ अच्छा किया, बताओ हमें. Okay, try to recall that. I'll get back to you. Lalit, how are you? How are your vacations? It's been a while since we talked to you. Lalit Meena, are you there? Can you hear me? Lalit, are you just logged in? Are you not here physically? Just let me know. At least type a message. Okay, he's gone. All right. Yash, how were your vacations? Did you do something new, something fun?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell us about it.
मैम very well.
क्या करी?
फोन बहुत
I can't.
चलाया।
मोबाइल बहुत
मस्ती।
चलाया. Masti kari. Okay. Any example so that we can also get some ideas on how to spend our time?
मैम अब हो जाता है टाइम पास।
तुम्हारा अच्छा है, हमारा तो नहीं हो पाता. चलो. Did you learn something new? कुछ नया सीखा कि बस टाइम पास किया?
मैम रूटीन बना लिया था थोड़ा।
तो बना के रखो उसे, थोड़ा नहीं. Good. Ishaq. Ishaq, are you there? Can you hear me, Ishaq?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you learn something new during vacations?
Ma'am, I have learned to ride bike.
You learned to ride bike. Okay, good. Be safe whenever you use that. Anything other
Okay,
than
ma'am.
that? Anything other than that?
No, ma'am.
Okay, it's all right. Yes, Mitushi, how were your vacations?
Ma'am, nice.
Nice. Did you learn something new?
Yes, ma'am. Learn different languages.
Everybody is learning languages. Which language did you learn?
French, Spanish, German.
Okay, German, we already know you know that. So tell us like three words in French and Spanish. No, French also we covered in last year. Tell me something in Spanish. Are you there or did you just sign off already? Okay, all right. I think she is. Kartike, I think I should let you know that in this recording, even the messages are visible. Just for your information. Sachi, how were your vacations? Did you do something fun?
Yes, ma'am. I learned to ride scooty.
Oh, nice. Be safe whenever you ride that.
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Ishika Joshi, how were your vacations?
Ma'am, nice.
Learned something new? Did something fun?
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ थोड़ा सा. Share it with us.
सीखी
Hmm?
मैम कुकिंग सीखी
Nice. What did you learn to cook?
मैम सब्जी बनाना सीखा नहीं आता था
अरे वाह क्या बात है. I'll definitely have a taste whenever the school reopens. मैं धीरे धीरे ऐसे ही अपना लंच बॉक्स इकट्ठा कर रही हूँ सब बच्चों से जिनने कुकिंग सीखी. Thank you. I will add your name to the list. Who's left? Okay, yes, Mitushi, I was asking you for 3 words in French when you just signed off unexpectedly.
Yes, ma'am.
Just tell me 3 words in French.
Hola.
French, not
It is in
Spanish.
Spanish.
No, I am
Okay,
asking about French. Yes.
Bonjour
Bonjour, okay.
and au revoir
Au revoir, bye.
and como ça va?
What does como sama means? अरे मैं बता रही हूँ ना.
How
Bonjour
are
means
you?
hi. Au revoir means bye. Yes. Okay, good. Just let me come back to some people. Anjan, how are your vacations?
Nice, ma'am.
Did you do something new, something fun?
Yes, ma'am.
थोड़ा बताओ हमें.
मैम गेम खेले
कौन सा गेम खेले?
मोबाइल पे और पढ़ा थोड़ा.
थोड़ा पढ़ा, गेम खेले. गेम में कहीं अच्छे लेवल पे पहुंचे?
हाँ मैम, कार्तिक से पूछ लो.
हाँ मैम, हीरोइक पे पहुंच गया बंदा.
Good. Seems like you people had fun. All
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
Archit, how were your vacations? Did you do something fun?
नाइस मैम.
Did you do something fun?
मैम बस मोबाइल वगैरह चलाया.
अरे मोबाइल चलाना कोई काम थोड़ी है. मोबाइल तो साइड में चलता ही रहता है. कुछ तो अच्छा मजेदार तो किया होगा यार. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. हाँ?
टीवी देखी, मोबाइल चलाया, मूवी देखी.
कोई ढंग की मूवी देखी तो बताओ.
मैम वही बॉलीवुड.
चलो कोई बात नहीं. Let's hope you will be more productive from now on. Anmol, how were your vacations? Did you do anything fun?
यस मैम. मैंने कार चलाना सीखा है.
ये शाबाश. ये सबसे 4 कदम आगे. Very good. Be very safe and do not drive until you get a license. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
And Jatin, how were your vacations? Jatin, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Did something fun? Learned something new?
No, ma'am.
नहीं तो कैसे टाइम काटा तुमने इतना?
मैम गेम खेल के.
कौन सा गेम खेलते हो तुम लोग भाई?
मैम बहुत से हैं.
फायरफ्लाई?
नो मैम.
पबजी तो वैसे आजकल चल नहीं रहा है. I hope you reached at some good level and improved your gaming skill. We will
Yes,
put it
ma'am.
in. We will put it on a test someday. Keshav,
मैम
how
सब
are you?
मैम सब डिस्कॉर्ड चला रहे हैं.
Discord चला रहे हैं. अच्छा, Discord is in vogue these days. Good. Keshav, how are you? How were the vacations? Keshav, can you hear me? Okay, I will get back to you, Keshav. Don't worry, I will not forget that I missed you. Okay, a bit of network problem. Try to be in a network. See, if I'm trying to talk to you and you cannot talk back, it means that whenever I'm taking a lesson, that time also you will not be able to respond well. Just try your best to be in some area where the network is the best. Sakshi Kujur, how were vacations?
मैम अच्छे थे.
कुछ अच्छा किया?
मैम कुकिंग का थोड़ा बहुत शौक है तो कुकिंग सीखा.
अरे वाह, good. Nice. Anything other than that?
और तो कुछ नहीं.
चलो कोई बात नहीं. Good enough. Nupur, how are your vacations? How are you? Nupur, can you hear me? Are you able to respond? कोई बात नहीं. Shubhi, how were vacations?
नाइस मैम, ठीक ही था.
ठीक ही था. It means it was a little bit disappointing. Learned something new. Did something nice.
मैम स्केचिंग में इंटरेस्टेड हूँ तो स्केचिंग की.
चलो. और कुछ? Sketching.
और
चलो. प्रोजेक्ट अच्छा बनाया है या नहीं?
नहीं मैम, प्रोजेक्ट कॉपी कुछ कंप्लीट नहीं, सब ऐसी पड़ी हुई है.
हाय, कितनी शान से बता
मैम
रहे हैं.
प्रोजेक्ट तो आपने मतलब उसमें लिखा था ना कि जब लॉकडाउन खोले तब बनाना, आप नहीं बनाना.
यस मैम, आपने कहा था.
I am just asking. I am not punishing anybody. I am just asking. I do not know if the stationery is open there. I'm not pushing anybody with all due respect.
मैम मैं लेफ्ट, मैंने थोड़ा राइट से लिखी है.
क्या क्या जरूरत है? जहाँ नेचुरल टैलेंट है वहीं जाओ. उधर उधर कहाँ भटक रहे हो? पर ठीक है, अपना 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 शौक है, कोई बात नहीं. सुनिधि, how were your vacations? How are you? It seems like there is some problem with your mic. I can't hear you. थोड़ा से just try to configure that. Vedika, how are your vacations? Please wait for a minute, Vedika. Yes, Sunidhi. I heard some noise from your side, but it was not clearly audible. Hello. Okay, just mute and unmute. Try unmuting your mic a few times. Maybe it will work. Yes, Vedika. How are vacations? How are you?
Ma'am, fine.
कुछ नया किया कि बस गप गप किया?
मैम ड्राइंग की थी थोड़ी बहुत.
चलो, वेरी गुड. जितने लोगों ने ड्राइंग करी है ना, अपनी बेस्ट ड्राइंग मुझे भेज के बताना जरूर कि कैसा करा, क्या किया, या फिर सब एक दूसरे की हॉबीज कॉपी कर रहे हैं. यस, ललित मिया, आई कैन सी यू जॉइंड. हाउ वर योर वेकेशंस? अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ, टॉक टू मी. ललित, can you hear me, Lalit? I can see that you are in this chat.
मैम मेरी ड्राइंग.
बिल्कुल देखेंगे, बिल्कुल देखेंगे. जरा थम जाओ थोड़ा सा, एक मिनट.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Lalit, it's been a while. How are you?
फाइन.
और मजे चल रहे हैं? कुछ पढ़ाई लिखाई करी इतने दिनों में?
करिए मैम, थोड़ी बहुत.
चलो कोई बात नहीं, अब आगे अच्छे से कर लेना. कुछ मजेदार किया वेकेशंस में कि बस ऐसे ही काट लिए?
मजे किए हैं क्या?
Karthik, again you're being very rude. Please do not interrupt anybody. Yes. Yes, Lalit. We are back to you.
Yes ma'am.
So did you do anything fun?
Yes ma'am.
कुछ बताओ. सब yes 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 क्यों? Elaborate already.
पबजी खेला, बढ़िया स्ट्रीमिंग करी यूट्यूब पे.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Let's hope you all reached at some good levels in your game, क्योंकि तुम लोगों ने इतना टाइम डिवोट किया है. Let's hope your skills improve. Yes, Yuvraj. Yuvraj, how were your vacations? How are you?
गुड मैम.
इतने मोनोसिलेबिक क्यों होते हो? मैं इतनी बात कर रही हूँ तुमसे, बस एक गुड थोड़ी सुनना चाहती हूँ. Tell me something. How did you spend your vacations? Did you do something nice? Learn something new?
नो मैम, बस मूवीज देखी हैं और गेम खेला है.
अरे तो कोई अच्छी मूवी देखी तो कम से कम ये तो बताओ कौन सी अच्छी मूवी देखी?
मैम मूवीज तो कम ही देखी, सीरीज ज्यादा देखी है मैम. नेटफ्लिक्स
अच्छा
सीरीज.
अच्छा, Netflix series. Name one of them for me. Your favorite one.
मैम
हाँ?
एक तो पाताल लोक, एक गेम्स ऑफ थ्रोन.
You are not supposed to watch
और
that. You're too young for these series. Refrain from watching such things.
यस
It's
मैम.
it's very violent for your age. Try to refrain from that. Watch some historical documentaries. They are more interesting. Yes. Vishesh,
यस मैम.
how are you? How are you?
मैम फाइन.
How were your vacations? Are you okay? Are you doing well?
मैम ठीक ठाक थे.
ठीक ठाक थी? कुछ अच्छा किया? कुछ मजेदार किया?
यस मैम.
तो बताओ ना.
मैम डाटा एंट्री करना सीखी और साथ में फोटो एडिटिंग और वीडियो एडिटिंग करना भी.
क्या बात है. Next time I'll need any kind of help, I'll definitely approach you directly. Thank you
Thank you.
for the information. Tanya, how are your vacations? Tanya, I can see you unmute mic, but I cannot hear you.
मैम अच्छे थे.
सब इंतजार क्यों कर रहे हो कि मैं दूसरा सवाल भी पूछूं? ऐसे ही बता दो ना. कुछ नया किया, कुछ अच्छा किया, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग किया. I am very interested in the way you spend your time.
मैम मूवीज देखी, फिर थोड़ी कुकिंग सीखी, फिर स्पेनिश भी सीखी, फिर थोड़ी एक्सरसाइज भी सीख लिया.
वाह.
बस.
सम अरे इतना कुछ कर लिया, बस की क्या बात है. It was good. Well done. सुनिधि, माइक
Yes,
चल रहा है
ma'am.
आपका. कैसे रहे वेकेशंस? हाउ आर यू?
मैम अच्छे थे वेकेशंस.
कुछ बढ़िया किया?
हाँ मैम, एक पेट पाला था तो वो उसको मतलब पालने में इतना मजा आया कि पूरे वेकेशंस ऐसे ही निकल गए.
Which kind of pet is that?
मैम इट वाज अ पैरट.
Good. Very good. Sakshi Dhakad, I think I missed you. How were your vacations? Did you do something nice, something fun? Sakshi?
यस मैम, थोड़ा बहुत डांस सीखा और कुकिंग की.
अरे थोड़ा बहुत क्या, आप तो ऐसे ही बहुत अच्छा डांस करती हो. गुड गुड. पूजिता, हाउ आर यू? हाउ इज योर हेल्थ? यू डूइंग वेल?
यस मैम.
कुछ बढ़िया मजेदार किया?
यस मैम, कार चलानी सीखी.
अरे शाबाश, बड़े हो गए हमारे बच्चे. जस्ट बी केयरफुल व्हाइल ड्राइविंग दैट. ऑलराइट.
यस मैम. पेंटिंग.
पीछे से उसे याद कौन दिला रहा है कि उसने क्या किया?
मैम दीदी थी.
Nice. Nupur, how were your vacations? Nupur, बेटा आवाज आ रही है? अनम्यूट कर पा रही हो खुद को?
यस मैम.
कैसे
बहुत
रहे
अच्छे
वेकेशन?
थे.
क्या कुछ नया सीखा, कुछ अच्छा किया?
हम क्राफ्ट सीखा है.
चलो अच्छी बात है. कुछ बढ़िया बना के मुझे फोटोग्राफ जरूर भेजना. I don't have much to do these days.
यस मैम,
सौरभ,
क्राफ्ट एंड ड्राइंग बहुत बताइए मम्मी को.
अच्छी बात है. You should spend your time well. Good, well done. Keshav, can you hear me now? Keshav?
प्रेजेंट मैम.
मैं अटेंडेंस ले ही नहीं रही हूँ. मैं तो पूछ रही हूँ हाउ आर यू.
फाइन मैम.
कुछ अच्छा किया वेकेशंस में?
हाँ मैम.
तो बताओ ना.
मैम स्विमिंग, ड्राइविंग, एक्सप्लोरिंग, मूवीज और ये सब.
What did you explore?
मैम वो जंगल में गए थे.
अरे वाह, that's different. Good. Karthik, how are your vacations? Karthik, I can't hear you. Please get into some network area. Just leave the meeting and join it again. Maybe there might be some problem with your mic.
Ma'am,
Just हाँ Karthik है.
ma'am, can we change the camera?
Change the camera. It means I don't understand what are you asking.
Ma'am, I want to show the drawings that I made, but ma'am, because of the front camera, I'm not able to. Can we switch to back?
Just send me the pictures. Just send me the pictures. Or do you want to show it to everybody?
Ma'am, I'll try to show now.
Okay, yes, you can change the orientation of your camera and show us the drawing.
Is it visible?
It is visible. Just let me see. It's very unclear. It looks pretty, but it's very unclear. Just send us a picture. Just send us the picture on the chat box. It's very unclear. Yes, it is kind of clear. What is that exactly? I think I've seen these things somewhere. What is that? It looks nice, interesting. It looks like a caricature. Good work. I did not know you had such talent. Nice. That's something new.
Ma'am, I saw that in TED Talk how to make a cartoon, so I just tried to make them. This is the result.
Good work. Good work. Keep on trying. You can do even better than that. I have full faith in you. Is Karthik back? I don't see him back. Did I miss anybody by mistake? If I missed anybody by mistake, please write your name in the chat box. I do not want to miss anybody even by mistake. That will be very... What did I say? That all of you, whatever you are doing, it will all go into the YouTube. So please do not be mean to anyone. Be nice to everyone like you usually are. Yes, just let me know whenever Karthik comes back. So let's get back to the padhai mode. There is some time left. I will not dive back right into the bookish knowledge. We'll just look back at whatever we have already done. Just remind me if I am correct. I am left. For what? Oh, my experiences. Yes, this is... Maybe I made you people too smart. All right. I watched a lot of series. I watched a lot of movies. Some of them were not even in English or Hindi. I tried a lot of different languages things. I watched a lot of documentaries. Initially, I was doing a little bit help around the house, but then I got bored with that. I slept a lot. I took all my exhaustion out. My Hero Academia, I started watching that. I started watching both of them, the series that you recommended to me, but it was not exact. I was not in the anime mode that time. One day I'll just get into anime mode and I will watch all of them, all of a sudden. And then I will definitely let you know that yes, I saw all of that. And I discovered a lot of new things and they're not exactly relevant. I did not add much to my knowledge in this period, but I just took all my exhaustion out, all of my exertion from all this year on all that work. It was fun. Karthik is back. Yes, so I did not do much. You people did way more than that and I am very happy. Yes, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am.
How did you spend your vacation? How are you?
मैम पबजी और पढ़ाई बस.
अरे पढ़ाई करी, सोशल साइंस पढ़ाई हमने.
मैम बस वही नहीं पढ़ा अभी. मैम आज से वही पढ़ना शुरू करना था.
अच्छा. भूल गए थे आज से स्कूल चालू है.
नो मैम.
तो आज से मतलब मुझे बताने के लिए कि आज से चलो कोई बात नहीं, देर आए दुरुस्त आए, किसी दिन तो शुरू करो. गुड. Okay, so let's get back into the padhai mode a little bit. I'll just get back at whatever I was doing. I just need to reflect back a little because I keep forgetting what I already did. We have not started geography, as I remember. And we have done power sharing, we have done nationalism, we have done federalism, we have done sectors of Indian economy, forest, wildlife, and water resources. We will do that in some time. Democracy and diversity. We have done democracy and diversity. If we have done this, just write Y in the chat box. If we already did democracy and diversity. Okay. So we did democracy and diversity, and we have done money and credit also. We were supposed to pick up gender, religion, and caste on the basis of the online poll that you gave. In the classes, a lot of you were saying that you want to do geography. It's been a while. But when the polling were held, there were more votes for gender, caste, and religion. How does that happen? Huh? I seriously have all that evidences, and most of you nationalism. Yes, I am being honest. I saw all that poll. Even I was expecting that you will vote for geography chapter 1, but you people did not. More people voted for gender, caste, and religion. So I'll have to pick that up because I promised that I will follow democracy. See, this is what happens when most of you do not participate in voting, and when you are giving votes to other chapter also. That is why I included pretty much every chapter that was left. And all of you just distributed your votes across the whole spectrum. There were 5 votes for gender, caste, and religion. There are 31 of you. Only 5 people wanted to read that, but that won the voting. See, that is the power of democracy. डेमोक्रेटिक पॉलिटिक्स पढ़ रहे हैं हम, इन चीजों को सीखो. लॉबी ऑफ फ्रेंड्स कि हम सभी को ज्योग्राफी पढ़ना है, सभी ज्योग्राफी के लिए वोट करो. तुम्हारे दोस्त तुम्हारी सुनते नहीं है. Alright. So because it won in the democracy, I will start with gender, caste, and religion. Yes, there are 3 different things. All of you must have your own ideas about it. Before we go into the book, I'll give you time. Day after tomorrow we have the class again. At that time we will discuss what is written in the book. Right now I want ideas from you. What do you feel? Anybody who wants to share their views on gender, especially the gender differences in our country, in our society. Yes, and whoever wants to speak, please write your name in the chat box. Otherwise it becomes a little bit difficult for me to manage. Yes, Karthikeya, I'll give you a chance. What do you feel? There is just give me one point that you feel very strongly about gender difference in this country.
मैम हमारे कंट्री में जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन बहुत ज़्यादा है. मतलब था पहले भी और अभी भी है काफ़ी हद तक. गवर्नमेंट और कई लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि वो मतलब जो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है जेंडर के बेसिस में वो ना हो, लेकिन तब भी बहुत मतलब जो होते हैं ना रिमोट एरिया, मतलब जहाँ गांव जहाँ पे पहुँच नहीं होती बहुत लोगों की, वहाँ पे अभी भी ये चलती आ रही है. और वैसे तो सुधार तो आ गया है बहुत. यही सब कहना चाहूँगा.
Okay, just support your statement with an example. You did well. Just support your statement with an example.
मैम वेल एग्जाम्पल. यस मैम जैसे वोटिंग होती है ना, वोटिंग होती है तो उसपे ज्यादातर मानते हैं कि मतलब आदमी लोग जाएं, औरतें ना जाएं.
Okay, so you are trying.
मैम
to
अभी
say...
अच्छा एग्जाम्पल नहीं आ रहा. मैम 2 मिनट बाद बताता हूँ एग्जाम्पल.
Okay, take your time.
मैम एग्जाम्पल जैसे मेन और वुमेन अगर सेम वर्क करते हैं तो मेन को उसके लिए ज्यादा वेजेस मिलते हैं और उसको वुमेन को कम वेजेस मिलते हैं.
अच्छा, which type of work are we talking about? We need to define that
मैम
properly.
जैसे IT सेक्टर्स में जैसे जॉब्स होती हैं वैसे.
अच्छा, so are you saying that in IT sectors all the jobs are accorded, the wages are different for men and different for women in all the IT
नहीं मैम, ज्यादातर में नहीं मैम, मतलब कुछ concentrated companies में.
Karthikeya and Saurabh, please do not cut both of you. Okay, just don't cut back. Have some patience. Let the other one finish. Write in the chat box that you want to speak, because I need to maintain some decorum, and there are other people in my class as well who might wish to speak, or the other who do not wish to speak. Just wait a minute. Yes, Saurabh, complete your sentence.
मैम मतलब सारी IT कंपनीज में नहीं होती, और ऐसा भी नहीं कि सिर्फ IT में होता हो. मतलब कुछ कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड कंपनीज में और अलग अलग जगह मतलब होता है ऐसा. मतलब सब में नहीं होता.
Okay, done with your point? All right. Yes, Karthikeya, what do you wish to speak?
मैम वो जो मैम वेज डिफरेंस होता है वो मैम मतलब जो इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया होते हैं जहाँ पे मैन और वुमेन दोनों काम करते हैं, तो वहाँ पे माना जाता है कि जो मैन है उन पे ज़्यादा ताकत है तो उनको ज़्यादा वेजेस में रखना चाहिए, क्योंकि जो वुमेन है वो इतनी कंडीशंस में काम नहीं कर पाएंगी अच्छे से, तो मतलब उन्हें नहीं देंगे।
are you talking about the labor class, right?
Yes,
जहाँ
ma'am.
पर intellectual labor ना लग के physical labor लगता है. Okay. Yes, your point is quite clear. Yes, girls, it's time for us. Anybody, whoever wishes to speak, just write your name. Just write me in the chat box. I'll let you talk. The boys have a lot of things to talk about. You should also have some things to talk about. Yes, Ashna.
मैम जेंडर डिवीजन अभी भी अर्बन एरियाज में कम होता है पर रूरल एरियाज में ज़्यादा होता है। जैसे बॉयज आर brought up and they are sent to schools and वो सारे काम बाहर के करने के लिए उनको अलाउ किया जाता है, लेकिन रूरल एरियाज में वुमेन आर asked to fetch water and collect fuel. So
okay, understood. Yes, Tanya.
मैम पार्लियामेंट में वुमेन के लिए 10 to 11% सीट्स रिजर्व रहती हैं, पर वुमेन खुद से
there is a provision, there is a bill which is pending. There is no kind of reservation for women as of now in parliament, although there is reservation for women in the local level of government. It is not in parliament, but yes, your point is absolutely correct that women do not have much participation in decision making. Yes, that came from the book, but it is a good example. Nice. Yes, Shubhi.
मैम जैसे बॉयज को कहीं भी जाना अलाउड होता है, पर गर्ल्स में मतलब रोक टोक तो लगती है कि नहीं तुम घर पे रहो, तुम्हें नहीं जाना जरूरत है उतना। मीन्स अभी भी उतना नहीं मिला है कि मतलब हम लोग के लिए उतनी मतलब नहीं हुआ है अभी डेवलप।
We are talking about the social restrictions on girls, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else who wishes to speak? Boys, it's
और
boys'
मैम
turn.
मतलब वो जो है ना
Saurabh, do not speak without permission in my class from now on. यहाँ मैं तुम्हें ज़्यादा रोक नहीं पाऊंगी, इसलिए ज़्यादा डांट मत खाओ मुझसे. Yes. Anybody else other than Saurabh and Kartikeya? Kartik, you're the first one to pop up on my screen. Kartik, speak your views. What do you feel about the gender discrimination in this country?
मैम पहले होता था, अब थोड़ा कम है।
हाँ, ये तो हमें भी पता है पहले होता था, अब थोड़ा कम है, लेकिन अपनी किसी भी बात को आपको किसी एग्जाम्पल या किसी लॉजिक से सपोर्ट करना है।
मैम बहुत एरियाज में वुमेन को काम करने जॉब की परमिशन नहीं रहती है।
अच्छा, ठीक है। Less safety for female. All right, ठीक है। Anybody else who wishes to speak their views right now? I am not satisfied with the level of discussion that we have had. We'll have to continue this tomorrow also. I'll just give one more person chance. All right, Saurabh, since there is nobody else, I'll give you one more chance.
माँ मतलब लिटरेसी रेट में भी बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है। जैसे मेन का इंडिया में लिटरेसी रेट कुछ 70% के आसपास है और वुमेन का कुछ 52 या 53 ऐसा है। तो मतलब इससे ये भी पता चलता है कि वुमेन के एजुकेशन में मतलब ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं दिया जाता।
अच्छा, ठीक है। All right. There is one task that I have for all of you. There are 2-3 things that I want you to think about in the upcoming days. वो हम next class में discuss करेंगे. The first thing is, as because of your particular gender, if you are a girl, if you are a boy, what are the privileges that you feel in this country? There might be some privileges that you feel that yeah, लड़कियों को ये privileges मिलती है, लड़कों को ये privileges मिलती है. For your own gender, try to find out, and it would be better if you write it down somewhere so that you can remember. Just give me 1 minute, Kartikeya, please. And other thing is, just write down 3 types of problems that you face because of your gender. Problems should be limited only to 3, because if you start finding problems with yourself, there will be a lot of them. Just write 3 problems and as many advantages as you can write about belonging to your particular gender. This is what we will carry on in the next class, and I will focus more on the students that who have not spoken today. Just remember that, do not forget that, and think about it. You do not need to research anything. Just think about your own life, your own surroundings, the type of life you are living, you are listening about your neighborhood and everything. Just whatever is around you. Yes, Saurabh, what do you wish to say?
मैम तो मतलब अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है तो
it is your opinion. everybody has their own opinion about their own life. Some people feel like kabhi-kabhar we can be objective about other things कि हाँ हमें दूसरे को किसी को देख के ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं सारे लड़कों के साथ हमेशा ये चीज पर्टिकुलरली गलत होती है. Might be something, it might not be personal to you, it might be in a general manner. Just think about it, as many as you can think about it. If you cannot think of anything, that's also all right. Maybe you do not have an opinion on that thing. That is also
मैम बस एक ही है कि उनको फोन जल्दी मिल जाए.
अभी नहीं. I will talk about that in the next session because you have another class and I also have another class. Kartikeya, I'm giving you my one final minute. Just wrap up in 30 seconds whatever you have to say.
मैम मेरे को तो ये बोलना था. हम क्या बोलते हैं कि हाँ मैम जो बॉयज होते हैं असल में ऐसी एक वो है कि मतलब जैसी एक आजकल मेंटालिटी है ज़्यादातर क्लासेस में जो बॉयज होते हैं वो निकम्मे होते हैं, ज़्यादातर.
That is also your opinion, but we will carry this on in the next session. The time for this session is up. Write down everything. There will be a lot more things when you will think about कि मेरे साथ क्या गलत होता है या मेरे साथ क्या अच्छा होता है. All of you, all right? So that will be all for today's class. Think about it and we will continue this in the next session. Sai Ram, have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Just please start leaving the class so that I can leave after you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.